Let's tackle the big question. What is automation? Automation is a technique used to operate something automatically. It saves time, eliminates human error, and most importantly, it solves problems. Automation might sound fancy or futuristic, but you have to remember the future's right now. Automation's all around us. We have automatic transmissions in our cars, which shifts the gears so we don't have to. We have automatic coffee makers to help us make a consistent cup of coffee. When we go to the store, the doors open for us automatically so we can carry our purchases out with both hands. These are the things you don't have to think about because automation takes care of them for you. They solve problems you may not have realized you had. We're also surrounded by automation in the technologies that we use. You've probably automated tasks before without even realizing it. Take your phone, for instance. It has alarms you can set to go off at certain times. There's reminders that pop up when you reach a location. And you can create rules for when it should and shouldn't show you alerts. And what about your email inbox? You can create rules and filters to automatically move messages to the right folders. Or you can reply to certain messages automatically. In these examples, you spent a little time setting up rules, and then they're followed. From then on, it just runs without you having to think about it. Zapier is an automation product, so in our case, the something getting automated is an action you'd normally perform in an app with a mouse and keyboard. A simple command is at the heart of every single automation. When this happens, do that. When it's between the hours of 10 p.m. and 6 a.m., silence my notifications so I can get some sleep. When I get an email from this sender, move it to that folder so my inbox stays organized. When and do is small, but it's powerful, and you can build on it. When a lead responds to my ad, send them a text. Then alert my team, and add an item on my to-do list. This when and do command is at the heart of how Zapier works. Automation's a technique, and at Zapier, we believe it's a technique anyone can learn. In our next lesson, we'll show you how to think like a computer by breaking down your repetitive tasks into steps. That way, you can do things like automatically follow up with your leads, or post to social media, copy an item to a spreadsheet, add invitees to a webinar, send form responses to your team, send pre-written emails, update chat statuses. The list goes on and on. We have a PDF attached to this lesson that we recommend you fill out. Think about your daily routine. What are some examples of automation in your life? What are some examples of automation from the technology that you use? What repetitive tasks would you like to automate? Write this all down and save it. You're going to need it later. We'll see you in the next lesson.